back. Today is moving day. Day before yesterday, me and Dad and Tiffany, we rolled some hay here. Dad, he raked, and I rolled and Tiffany rolled. I rolled about 30 roll or something there at home. And then we come down here, and me and Tiffany rolled somewhere around, I think there's somewhere around 145 or 150 roll here. And then yesterday, we rolled about 80 roll down here on our place. So there's several rolls here that needs to be moved. What I'm using today, I'm going to use the hay train. I've got 3 of our hay trailers hooked together. I can haul 24 roll at a time. I can haul 8 rolls per trailer. Pull it with the big blue power. And the reason why I'm doing that, most time I use the truck. Either use the Kenworth and a drop deck. I can haul 26 on it, or I use that cab over truck and my Pendle hitch trailer, and I can haul 19. One of the biggest reasons why I'm not using either one of them today is I'm taking this home, and the road going up to the barn where we're going to is kind of rough, and it's hard to, I've had that Kenworth up there several times, but it's hard to get it there. You ain't got a lot of room to turn around. And so I'm just going to use that tractor and them trailers. I'll be able to move around a whole lot better than using them trucks. And it ain't, I don't know, maybe around 3 miles or something. It's not too terribly far, and we've done it for years. This farm that I'm on now, Mom and Dad, everything that you see here that's cut and rolled, it's got this big barn here and the grain bins there, and the red barn, or red apartment we call it now, and there's a little bit of hay there in the back and some down over the hill. All that now they own. But for about 18 years, we used to tend all this, where this corn and stuff is. There's about 250 acres or something here that was in grass, and we used to cut the hay off of it twice a year. And the old man got sick, and he started cutting it up and winding up dying. And what Mom and them has is what was left, and that's how we wound up with this. So we used to move a whole lot of hay off of here. We used to roll, depending on the year, 3,500 plus just off of this place, because it was always real good. John, he would keep it fertilized and limed real good, and it'd be good, thick, tall fescue, about yay high. But anyway, I'm going to start loading here and see if I can't get some of this moved. Well, I'm loaded. Time to let the black smoke roll. Well, I made it back. I'm putting it in the barn up here above our house. This barn here is just about empty, so I'm going to try to put some in here. But I made it, didn't lose none, so now I'm going to try to start getting it unloaded. Well, I was loading up my last load for the evening. I was putting my last bale on, and I got the smell of antifreeze. And it's all over the block. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a squirting out of this hose right there. Got a little pinhole in it. So I'm going to have to get me one of them hoses tomorrow. See if I can come up with something. And see if I can get this thing lined back out. This makes my third trip. This was going to be my last load for today anyway. It's 7:30. So by the time I get it unloaded, and I'm going to bring it back down here, the tractor and the trailer's back down here, and get my truck it was going to be close to dark. I got a kind of a late start today, but this will be 3 trips, so that'll be 72 bale, and there's still quite a bit left. Got all that, and there's about 11 bale, I think, over there, and then on the other side of that barn, there's 10 or 11, and then back in behind these barns here, there's some too. So there's going to be at least 145, 50 bale anyway. But anyway, I'm going to see if I can get this thing home and get it unloaded. See if I can get the rest of this moved tomorrow. We're talking about some rain moving in here Sunday, and get this moved and get it put in the dry, and then I wouldn't care for it to come another little rain shower. But anywho, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.